Hi there. I'm Tom Ludwig with Saga Automation LLC in the United States. Saga Automation started in October of 2018 and has been growing steadily since then. I now have two outsourced services from India, the first one being CAD drafting that I started about 10 months ago, and the second one being virtual employee, which is now about 6 months. And I was doing my own QuickBooks accounting on my own for the first 2.5, 3 years, and got too busy in 2021. And so I was oftentimes 3 to 6 months behind on my bookkeeping before I hired virtual employee. And as the company was growing, I had less time to dedicate to this. So that's why I reached out to virtual employee. I found the process of the hiring and onboarding with virtual employee to be fairly seamless, and I interviewed two people, and I settled on Rishabh after he successfully interviewed. We began working together about 6 months ago, and he has been great. Within a month of starting, he had my books all caught up and in a much better state. And after working with him the last couple of months, it's really clear to me that he knows QuickBooks, he knows accounting, and that he's also trying to learn new things all the time. Every month, he reminds me to send him the documentation he needs, and that is great because I want him to have what he needs to do his work. It used to be when it was just me, I could procrastinate and not do the bookkeeping and it would get behind. However, now many mornings I wake up early, and because of the time difference, I see him remoted into the laptop I have set up for the bookkeeping. And I start my day by chatting with him and find out if he needs anything. But working with Rashab is like working with any of my other employees here in the US in some ways. He and I chat about life on Skype a bit, so there's a real connection that bridges the miles. Overall, Rashab is a valued asset to Saga Automation. I hope to remain working with him for a long time. Thank you.